Hello everybody, welcome to this lesson on Learn British English Free on YouTube. My name is Chris. This is Phonemic Poem 5. The sound in this poem is like what was I going to say? Or you see something disgusting. Something like that. It's quite long. We also need to use a little bit of R at the end. Let's try the examples then. Please read with me. You can see it below or on the captions, subtitles. Phonemic Poem 5. Let's start. Have you heard about this word? Murderous workers cursed and stirred. Or R. It's reverted to its worst, yet not perverted. Girl, bird, world. Hurt is her. British food is burnt and Phonemic Poem 5. The sound. It's not easy. Please keep trying and do please write a comment to tell me your feedback and how easy or difficult this sound is. It's always nice to read the comments. My name is Chris. Thank you for watching. Please join me on Learn British English Free on YouTube for this phonemic poem series. I will post more soon. And you can also find us on the British English page on Facebook and www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. Goodbye.